Hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you 10 lines on Krishna Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a Hindu festival which celebrates the birth of Lord Krishna. It is also known as Krishna Janmashtami. Janmashtami is celebrated on Ashtami or 8th day of the Krishna Paksha in Shravana or Bhadrapad. It usually comes in the month of August. Krishna was born at midnight in Mathura, so many people fast till midnight and celebrate this festival late in night. Lord Krishna was eighth son of Devaki and Vasudev and was born in a prison. His father Vasudev gave Krishna to his friend so that Nand could save him from Kans. He was raised in Gokul by Nand and Yashoda. Sri Krishna was very fond of eating makhan. He always used to steal it from Gopi villagers and from his mother's kitchen. Radha was Krishna's best friend. He used to play tricks on her and both shared a bond of powerful friendship. On this occasion, a ritual game known as Dahi Handi is played by breaking an earthen pot filled with curd which hangs high above the ground. Lord Krishna is also known as Natkhat Nandlal and Makhan Chor because of his mischiefs. On this occasion, temples and houses are decorated with lights and flowers. Temples are most crowded at midnight and prasad is distributed in night after chanting and singing devotional songs throughout the midnight. After Krishna's midnight hour of birth, the devotees then break their fast by eating prasad of Panjiri. Also, many Krishna temples organize recitation of Bhagavata Purana and Bhagavad Gita. The Janmashtami of Mathura and Vrindavan is famous all over the world because these places are associated with Krishna. Thanks for watching and happy Janmashtami everyone. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel.